Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà mi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dá.
Dream you should never tell anyone. Part 2. If you have those dreams, you don't need to share it with anyone. Don't share the dream with anyone. Kneel down and pray. And today, I will teach you what to do if you have such a dream. I will teach you what to do. Because these dreams, they are very powerful. And in my previous video, part 1, the dream that you should never share with anyone, part 1, I explained some dreams without telling you the meaning. But you see, all these dreams, they are just a warning. You understand? So you don't need to share it with anyone. But today, this part 2, I will try to tell you the meaning and the reason why you are not allowed to share this dream with anyone. And if you have such a dream, there is a thing you can do. I will teach you today. I will teach you today. So you don't need to share your dreams to anyone. Sometimes when you have a dream, you call many people to interpret the dream for you. It's not good. Most especially this one that I want to mention today. Please do not share it with anyone. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share a spiritual tip to help your spiritual life. And if this content or any of my content are very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you will be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, you are free to call me on 070-374-22552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So as I was saying, today I want to share with you a dream you should never share with anyone. A dream you should never share with anyone. Please, if you see a frog, lizard, crocodile, snake, or any other reptile in your dreams, it means enemy. It means enemy. This dream, they are usually warning. Is a warning. So you don't need to share it with anyone. If those creatures, if they are big, you know that your enemies, they are planning something big against you. You understand? And if you don't be careful, they will overpower you. If those creatures, they are very big, you see them, you see those creatures in your dreams, and they are very big. Those enemies are planning something bad against you. But if those creatures, they are very small, know that they can never do anything to harm you. They can never do anything to harm you. If those creatures, if they are small, So those enemy, they have no power against you. But if those creature, if it is small or big, if they strike you or they bite you, you know that your enemy, they are planning to attack you. Those creature, lizard, snake, frog, crocodile, or any other reptile, you see them in your dream, they attack you, or I mean they bite you, or they strike you, or they bite you in your dream. Know that those enemies, if it is big creature or small creature, know that those enemies, since they attack you or they strike in your dream, know that your enemies, they are planning something bad against you. They want to attack you. So the second one is, if you see your hair, not head, irun. If you see your hair in your dream, if it is your hair, it means your problem. If it is someone's hair, it means the person's problem. But this hair, it has a lot of meaning. You understand? It has a lot of meaning. If you see your hair in your dream, your own hair is your own problem. But if someone else's hair, is not your problem. If your hair is long in your dream, maybe you see your hair very long in your dream, it means that the meaning of that long hair is the problem is long term. You understand? But if it is short hair, your problem is short term. So you need to pray. I will tell you what to do. Seeing your hair in the dream is not good. It's not good. If it is your hair, it's your problem. If someone's hair is someone's problem. It's not your problem. But if your hair is long, the problem is long term. But if it's short, it's long term. But if you see the hair is very beautiful. If it is your hair or someone's hair is very beautiful, please, you need to pray, because it's not good. It's a serious problem. That is number 2. But if someone is cutting down your hair, or they are using comb to brush it, or brush to brush it, it means that someone is trying to creating a problem for you. One of your enemy is trying to create a problem for you. I think you understand. But in that your dream, if you see someone that maybe the person is packing your hair, you understand, is trying to pack your hair, so they will help you with that problem. That is number 3. So when you have such a dream, you don't need to tell anyone. You don't need to share it with anyone. Are you with me? So what you are going to do is to kneel down and pray to cancel the plan of your enemy on you. Are you with me? You kneel down and pray to Almighty God to cancel those the plan of enemy against you. So what you are going to do is that before 3 days of the dream, before 3 days, please make sure that whenever you want to take a shower, just take a pinch of salt, take it and add it to your bathing water. When you get to bathroom, make sure that you kneel down and pray in that water. Ask God to cancel the plan of enemy against you. Ask God to cancel the plan of enemy in your life. So that is what you are going to do. Èyí tí mo mú wá fún wa ní òní, òun náà ni apá kejì nínú àlá tí èèyàn máa ń lá téèyàn ò gbọdọ̀ máa sọ fún yàn. Tí ó jẹ́ pé ṣé rí most of àwọn àlá pọ̀, màá máa mú wá díẹ̀díẹ̀ báyìí tí Ọlọ́run bá fi àyè gbà wá. Àwọn àlá pọ̀, but a máa bára wọn máa sọ báyìí lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ṣé rí tí èèyàn bá lálàá pé òun rí ọ̀pọ̀lọ́, àkekèé, ọ̀nì, okùn lẹ̀ téèyàn rí lójú oorun. Ṣé rí sign yìí àwọn ọ̀tá wọ́n fẹ́ gbìyànjú àti ṣèyàn jàǹbá ni. Ṣé rí wá póríṣiríṣi. Ṣé rí tó bá yẹ pé ẹ̀kan ráwọn kinní yẹn tó ń wò yín lọ́ọ̀kan tí wọ́n bá ń wò yín àwọn bí wọ́n ṣe ń wò yín nìyẹn wọn ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe lórí yín ọ̀tọ̀ ní agbára kan tó fẹ́ ṣe lórí yín ẹ kàn mọ̀ yan lọ́wájú wọn ni. Àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn kinní yẹn ẹ rí wọn nírìí pé wọ́n tóbi gan ọ̀tá ń gbèrò nǹkan burúkú ńlá kan sí yàn àmọ́ tó bá parí wọn rí i pé wọn ò tóbi wọ́n kàn dó jẹ́jẹ́ wọ́n kàn ra kéré wọn lè rí yàn gbèsè. Àmọ́ ṣé wàá láwọn kinní tá a rí yìí o bóyá wọ́n tóbi ni o bóyá wọ́n kéré ni o tí wọ́n bá ti lè géèyàn jẹ ọ̀tá ti fẹ́ gbìyànjú àti ṣe nǹkan burúkú sí yàn nìyẹn. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì tí èèyàn bá rí irun lójú àlá tó bá rí irun ara ẹ lójú àlá wàhálà ti ẹ nìyẹn o nǹkan kan fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọ̀tá ẹ̀ tí ó wàá fa wàhálà. Àmọ́ ó tó wá póríṣiríṣi o tó bá jẹ́ pé tẹlómi lórí wàhálà tẹnìyẹn nìyẹn. Ṣé wá rí irun yìí tá a bá wá rí lójú oorun tí irun yìí bá gùn á jẹ́ pé wàhálà yẹn máa jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó pẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé irun tí ó gùn ni wàhálà yẹn ò lè pẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tí tá a bá tún wá rí irun yẹn lójú àlá tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n bá wàá yá wọ́n yarun yẹn ẹnìkan fẹ́ dá wàhálà síyàn lọ́rùn ni wọ́n fẹ́ dá wàhálà wọ́n fẹ́ gbin wàhálà síyàn lọ́rùn. Àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé orí èèyàn lójú àlá wọ́n bẹ páàkì irun ẹ wọ́n bẹ páàkì ẹ̀ nǹkan tí yẹn túmọ̀ sí ni pé wọ́n á ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lórí wàhálà náà tó bá yá. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé ẹ. Ṣé rí gbogbo orú àlá yìí pàápàá jùlọ irun tí mo tún sọ náà ni ò tẹ́ bá tún wá rí irun yìí pé irun ẹni yẹn beautiful gan tètè gbìyànjú sọ́ra rẹ̀ nítorí pé wàhálà gidi ni Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká rí wàhálà. Nǹkan tá a máa ṣe máa kọ́ wa ìyẹn ní òní. Ṣé rí èyí tí mo rọra mú wá ní òní nípa àlá yìí kì í ṣe nǹkan ṣé rí méjì mo ra sọ lénìí torí nǹkan tó pọ̀ ni o ó pọ̀ tí n bá síwèé mi fún yín àmọ́ èdè Yorùbá náà ni wọ́n kọ gbogbo ẹ̀ èmi náà mo ṣe ìwé yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò tí ì tẹ̀ jáde èdè Yorùbá náà ni èdè Yorùbá náà ni mo kọ gbogbo èmi náà mo ṣe jáde bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mi ò tí ì tẹ̀ jáde. Ṣé rí tí èèyàn bá ti lálọ́ àlá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kó tó pé ọjọ́ mẹ́ta tí èèyàn lálá yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká bu iyọ̀ díẹ̀ sínú omi tá a bá ti fẹ́ wẹ̀ ká gbé lọ bathroom ká wá kúnlẹ̀ tì ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe àdúrà tó bá jẹ́ mùsùlùmí ni ẹ ṣàdúrà ńlá náà ti mùsùlùmí tó bá jẹ́ kírísítẹ̀nì ni ẹ ni ṣàdúrà ńlá náà kírísítẹ̀nì kí Ọlọ́run kó gbé ẹ borí àwọn ọ̀tá gbogbo ògbìmọ̀ ọ̀tá lórí ẹ kọ́lọ́run kó gbé ẹ borí ẹ kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kó fomi náà wẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní jù báyìí lọ mílẹ̀ lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí Wíńjẹ́ ẹni tó bá dìgbà míì àtúmọ̀rọ̀ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sí ilé ìwá ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kí lè kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn kan mẹ́ta àti àtẹ̀yí tá a ti ṣe torí pé èyí tí a ti ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ tó ó dàbọ̀.